Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. Today I want to show you some nifty little tricks with cutting some fruit. Today we're going to cut up an orange and I'm going to show you the best knife to use and the best process to use for that. Okay, so down here we've got our orange. We're going to top and tail it, which simply means take the bottom off, take the top off, and then we get a flat edge to work on, so we're not working with a round object there anymore. Then we're going to go around with our serrated knife. This is the best because it's got grip on the teeth, so it can grab into that orange without it getting too slippery or going from a firm texture to a soft texture, and then that knife maybe slipping through the orange too fast. So just a nice curved motion all the way around the orange, keeping in shape with the actual orange. And then once we're finished, if we've missed any areas, we can go back and just fix those up really nice and easy, okay? Once we've done that, we can dice this up and we can have it in a nice fruit salad, or we can take it one step further and be a little bit fancy, and we can do what's called segmenting our orange, which means taking out all that pith in between, all that bitter bit. And what you're going to do is, you can see clearly you've got the little lines of the segments in there, so you're going to follow down with your knife, and using the right size knife is really important. So just get a smaller one there, you don't need a larger one. You are using it in your hand and holding it, so not applying pressure to it or forcefulness to it. You're going to use the knife to slice through it, and just very gently, you don't need to apply pressure there. And you can see how easy the segments are coming out, like so, and you can see no fibrous bits or pith on that, so it's going to be really nice and sweet in there. Okay, I'm going to show you another way of cutting up an orange for children. So again, you can use a serrated knife. This one's a little bit easier, you're not doing delicate work, so you can just use your normal 20cm kitchen utility knife, and you're going to place the orange down. Now typically when you cut an orange, most people will cut it through from the stem part to the navel bit there, but what you're going to do is turn it on the other way, the other angle, and slice through that way. And then what you're going to do is do the wedges from there, and you can see that the center of the wedges there don't have that big pith section there, and children aren't biting into pith straight away, which is going to be much more enjoyable for them and easier, as it won't get stuck in their teeth. Enjoy your oranges!